What up, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. Guess what we got? Oh, guess what we got? Yeah, let's open them up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see them right there. Y'all see them? Oh yeah. Yeah, they go like that right there. Anyway, we finna go install them. Yeah, we finna go install them joints right there in the truck. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Y'all know I just had to come out here and put these doggone covers in. But it's a super nasty day. Oh man, that ain't good. Just throw them on the ground. Yeah. Anyway, it's a super nasty day. Yeah, she's cold out there. But I'm probably gonna end up taking them wheels off for the winter. Just pull them off and put the stocks on. That way I can still move it around, cause when it snows, I already don't drive it in the rain because I don't like cleaning them doggone wheels. I mean, I can. Don't get it twisted. I can. But the task at hand. Oh, man. Wait, I need to clean y'all up. There's a glare. Hold on. Let's clean y'all up. Or maybe that's just how bright. Yeah, that's just how bright those lights is. But y'all know that them lights right there wasn't working. I still got the regular incandescent bulbs on there. I'm probably gonna change those to LED too, just to brighten it up more in here. And then y'all know I got the red ones up here. I love them red ones. I ain't even gonna lie. I love them red ones because they put off just the right amount of light, at night to where I can drive and the passenger can see and I can eat and do all kind of stuff. But we're getting ready to change those lenses. Yeah, gonna change these lenses right here. And all you really need is a screwdriver or a pocket knife, you know, and they just snap right in there. Yeah, there they go. They just snap right in there. But I'm gonna set you guys up that way y'all can see. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be using the pocket knife to get them out of there. See, this one right here is all nasty, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want that, so we're gonna put, oh, that thing snapped right in there. And then this side right here was missing. It was just missing, but it works too. And them lights is bright. Them lights is bright. Like I'm seeing like spots right now. But we're gonna go ahead and snap them in there. Oh, I had it in backwards. Yep, I had them in there backwards, gang. I did. Wait a minute. Maybe that's the wrong side. Maybe there is a left and a right. Yeah, there is. There is a left and a right. So look, I didn't know that. You see those notches? See them notches right there? Hold on, let me. Yeah, see them notches right there? So there is a left and a right. That's cool. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. So yeah, let's get that one out of there. Yep. Left and a right. We slowly cleaning it up, you guys. You know what I'm saying? Man, that looks so clean though. It look clean now. Yeah. Let me close this mouth up. That look clean now. I mean, better than what they had going on. They had to clear, and then this. I don't know what that is. You know what I'm saying? So definitely, it's definitely clear now. Oh yeah, and I like that. Yeah, I like that. Anyway, Y'all know I can't, it's hard for me to really stay out the shop on any day. And today is Christmas. And I'm still waiting on my grandbaby to come over. What do I get? I get a manufacturer's warranty with those. Anyway, those things was only like $19. I mean, which, yeah, it was only like $19. So this is the stuff that they fit right here. See right there? Those are the vehicles that it fits. But yeah, it even shows the crappy ones on the instructions. See, look, it shows the crappy one right here, and then it shows the good ones right there, the ones I just upgraded to. But that was an upgrade because it is definitely bright in here. Let me cut those off. Let me cut that off. So probably the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm finna to do these the puddle lights or whatever, or the floorboard lights. I'm gonna do those, and yeah, man, I'm gonna do those, and then probably all the lights, and then the puddle lights over here. I'm probably gonna do those too, and then all the lights on the inside will be LED. And then once I do the tail lights, all of the outside lights will be LED because I got the LED tag light, so I need tail lights. And then, yeah, the truck will be 100% LED then. So, I'm excited. Aren't you guys excited? Yep. But I know y'all wanted to see that G-Pop camper top. It don't leak. It does not leak, surprisingly. You know what I'm saying? But I haven't drove it in the rain yet, and I'm probably getting ready to go pressure wash it right now because I need to get that splooge off of it. But I'm gonna end up sanding it down. And I noticed something because I crawled up in there. I had to relocate those. I had to relocate the bed because I guess when I put it on, I guess it was more on this side. So I got in there this morning and I centered it. I mean, because I have nowhere to put it right now, to be honest with you. But if you look right there, hold on. If you look right there, I got a doggone light in there. So when I open this thing up, a light pops on. So I'm definitely finna get that. I'm definitely finna get that running. Definitely. Yeah. I'm definitely finna get that running, guys. I'm telling you. But yeah, man. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. But I'm finna go to the car wash and I'm gonna spray this camper top off the best that I can for right now. And then when I got on the inside to reposition those them C-clamps, because I'm probably gonna end up bolting it down to the bed in the near future. But when I got inside, I believe this is actually metal. This is actually cast metal, I think, because there's bolts holding it on. There's like 4 bolts holding it on. So I'll be able to take these off without a hitch and strip them after I make sure that they are metal, because I may pull these off. What do y'all think if I strip the black off of it and then trim it in red? Yeah, man. Yeah. I might do that. I might take those off, trim it in red, put it back on, paint the top white. And then I'm gonna have to locate some I'm gonna have to locate some, man, that's crappy. I'm gonna have to locate some Escalade roof racks or some Denali roof racks for a reasonable price. But I'm gonna need 2 sets. I'm gonna need 2 sets because I'm gonna replace that one too with the Cadillac roof rack, and then I want to do the Cadillac roof rack back here on the back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's gonna be dope. And then I still gotta put a seal. So I'm gonna scrape this old seal off, put a new seal on it, because I'm probably gonna be sliding in this thing right here today, since it's all raining and stuff. I mean, I don't know, probably gonna slide in this right here today, because I love driving my truck now. I love driving my truck. I mean, it's probably one of the best driving vehicles I got. I mean, don't get me wrong, the Tahoe is good, but the Tahoe is just, you know, the wheels are wide, so I gotta be super alert. Be super alert or curve something. So, yeah. Anyway, man, y'all subscribe, and I'll probably come back with another video later, but I'm finna end this video right here. So, I'm out, man. Peace.